lions roar so mighty, with a mane so grand, inviting us to join them in the jungle band. Roar with the lions, hop with the frogs, cruise down the river with crocodile logs, swing with the monkeys and dance in the sun. Adventure in the animal kingdom is fun. Meet the slithery snakes that glide on the ground, colorful parrots singing all around. Catch a glimpse of zebras with stripes of black and white. Under the bright stars they gallop through the night. Roar with the lions, hop with the frogs, cruise down the river with crocodile logs, swing with the monkeys and dance in the sun. Adventure in the animal kingdom is fun. Spot the sneaky cheetah, the fastest one of all, and the graceful giraffe standing oh so tall. From leaping lemurs to